Hello, my beautiful blossoms. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your sanctuary of serenity and wisdom. Before we dive into today's enchanting tale, I'd like to remind you to hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together, nurturing our roots of understanding and letting our petals of knowledge unfurl. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the Carnation Chronicles of Caring, a tale of family and floral embraces. Picture a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river. The houses, painted in pastel hues, are adorned with window boxes overflowing with vibrant carnations. The air is filled with their sweet, spicy scent, a constant reminder of the town's deep-rooted tradition of love and care. Our protagonist is a young woman named Rose. She's not unlike the carnations that grace her town, vibrant, resilient, and deeply rooted in her family. Rose's family runs the local flower shop, where each carnation is not just a flower, but a symbol of their love and care for each other and their community. One day, a challenge arises. A harsh winter storm threatens to wipe out the town's beloved carnation fields. Rose, with her spirit as fiery as the red carnations, refuses to let their symbol of love and care perish. She rallies the townsfolk, her family, and her friends, and together they work tirelessly to protect the fields. The storm rages on, but so does their determination. They build shelters, they nurture the flowers, they hold each other close in the biting cold. And when the storm finally passes, they find their fields still blooming with the vibrant carnations, a testament to their collective resilience and care. Rose's journey teaches us that just like the carnations, we too can weather the storms of life with love, care, and a strong community. It reminds us that we are all interconnected, like the roots of the carnations, drawing strength from each other. And so, my beautiful blossoms, let's take a leaf from the Carnation Chronicles of Caring. Let's nurture our relationships, let's celebrate love, and let's weather the storms together. Remember, every petal tells a story, and every bloom inspires. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our garden of inspiration, love, and friendship. Until next time, keep blooming and keep inspiring. This is Lily from Inspirational Flower, signing off.